She is such a climber. Oh my goodness. She just loves to climb. You climber girl, you. You climber girl. Now she's going to be going through the roof like, yep, she's going to be going through the roof like Tally and Jordy. Okay, you crazy girl, you. Crazy girl. Oh, you little girl, you little girl. Nowhere to go up there, huh? Nowhere to go. Nowhere to go, huh? Nowhere to go, huh? Nowhere to go. I know, baby, I know. I know. Crazy girl. Crazy girl. Nowhere to go. Oh, now she's going through. Oh, she just went through. Now, okay, she's officially joined Tally and Jordy in the Push Through the Roof Club. Hey, that's such a kick. Pushing through the roof like that. Hey, you. Hey, you. Little girl. Little girl. Okay, so that is Serena, the climber. Climber girl. King of the mountain. King of the mountain. You crazy girl. Don't be destroying our roof. Girl, don't be doing that. Don't be doing that. I better take her down. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh. There she goes. See, they ruin it. See, I got to discourage her from doing that because they ruin the roof. All right, that's it. No more of that stuff. We don't want the roof to be shredded like the one on the porch. Serena, climber girl.